Thank you, Mantak Chia, for your time, Master Chia. You're coming to Estonia on May 10th till 16th. What is the main topic that we're gonna be learning there?
The base that means that we have the basic 2 days, Friday and Saturday, and I think that always follow with healing love another 2 days. And usually is what the people organize either fusion 1, or either Iron Church, or either Tai Chi, Qigong, something like that. That is in the weekdays.
And who is it for? Who are the people who are coming to this kind
For any people like to learn learn something to heal themselves, learn something to have more energy, so they don't get sick like that. So that for general people, and they have healing love. We have divided into male and female practice. Yeah.
So from 10th to 16th of May, you're welcome to join Master Chia in Estonia in Pühali Healing Center.